I'm going to take the liberty to start answering because it's general political questions and we have to move on. I think we only have the hall for an hour. I'm a big guy, so I'm going to stand, but I'm going to go down, so I'm not upstairs from my colleagues. Your they question is the they is the DA. Remember, no political party that operates nationally gets decisions from their councillors on the ground. As Jack said, as Phil said, and David, the councillors maybe don't want this, but they get the commands from the top, which is the federal executive and the party and the Congress and so on. Remember, it's a big political organization, so it comes from the top. Anything? One more question? There was somebody else there. We're going to take one more, guys, then I'm going to move on, and then we'll take questions at the end. Right, David?
Yeah.
Okay.
Been skirting around this year. What we're seeing at the moment, DA, is going further and further left, to the point that we now have the so-called moderates in the ANC crossing the floor to the DA. So what we have are a bunch of socialists having taken over the DA. The moderate Marxists joining them. So, when does this actually leave us? Because if our leaders, the so-called DA leaders who were supposed to be moderate, have now gone full left wing.
Guys, there's a few more questions. We will give a chance at the end for everybody that didn't have a chance. Okay, so I'm going to start a bit wider. Okay. Okay, one more.
Sorry, I have seen that the spiritual development battlefield
Yes.
many areas in the country, and I see it as an attack on the middle class citizens in middle income areas. I mean, a member of the North fraternity here, I would not be standing here. The lower income bracket is also protected. What are the different parties doing for the collective middle class income who are already financially to live in these areas and know this and have the legal muscle to fight this?
Okay, so very good question. I'm going to park that one because we can all answer that. I'm firstly going to say, just recap on why we are here. We are here about Fishhoek. And we might be preaching to the people in the church. But it's important that we reiterate a few things. And I'll get back to you. It's important, remember,